It also means that that dog is annoying. Just wait for him to shut up. Okay, he has friends. Okay. Okay. It also means that they're not going to shut up anytime soon. Hey guys, me again, Chris, and today we're going to be talking about a product that I've been wanting to have for quite a while now. And this is a product that would definitely help out those people who are working from home or are always on the go. So without further ado, this is the PEA60 Powerbank from Romoss. It's not showing on the camera, but there's the logo. I'll show you the unboxing video in a bit, but right now I just really want to talk about it, discuss why I've been wanting to have it, okay? So, main reason why I want to have one of these is because at 60,000 mAh, it's going to bring a lot of backup power supply in case there's a power failure in your area. Now, in the Philippines, power is very, I don't know how to say it nicely, but it's unpredictable. 1 minute you have power, the next you don't. You don't know how long it's gonna last. Stuff like that. So it's good to have one, especially since I'm working from home. Another reason why I want to have it is because if you're on the go, like me, when I go out, I go out. Like when I try to do some street photography or backpacking, I want to have that extra power supply just in case my batteries run out for my phone or my camera or whatever. Those are the actual main reasons why I wanted to have it. Now, let's talk about the specs. I'll show you the unboxing right now. Please forgive the cat hairs all over the area. Can't help it. We have lots of cats here at home, so here we go. So on the box, you're gonna see the model number. It's a PEA60 fast charging power bank, 60,000 mAh, super high capacity, 22.5 watt fast charging, and bidirectional Type-C. Now, just to explain to you what that means. Normally, when you plug a USB cable to a power bank, what it does is it pushes power out to charge your device. Yeah. In this case, there's a bidirectional Type-C port wherein you can charge the power bank right from the power out. You can use your Type-C charger, plug it in there, and the rest is history. Aside from that Type-C bidirectional port, there's also a couple of regular USB 2.0 or 3.0s and the Lightning port as well, and a micro USB port that's for charging as well. Now, this is a very heavy power bank, mind you. So if you don't like carrying a lot of weight when you go out, I don't recommend this. I recommend that you get a 20,000 to 30,000 mAh power bank instead of going for the 60,000 watt variant or anything above 40,000 because they're gonna be this heavy. This thing right here is about 1.5 kilograms. Here are the user manuals that I'm probably never gonna read, but I don't recommend you do. I recommend that you read the specifications and instructions from the manufacturers just to be safe. Again, I'm very sorry for the cat hairs and my filthy hands. So let's take the power bank right out of the box so you can see it. It's secured with two big blocks of styro, and it comes with this micro USB cable to help you charge your power bank. The box is very simple, nothing special about it. And the charging cable, as usual from Romoss, is very short. I think it's about 2 feet or 3 feet, I'm not sure. Anyways, I don't care, I'm not planning on using that. So here's the power bank, wrapped with this plastic. I'm very excited when I was unboxing it, so forgive the brutality to the plastic bag. There, you're gonna see the ports right up above, and this is the tiny LCD screen and the logo Romoss. Specifications right below. 60,000 mAh, 22.5 watts, and the button so you can see how much power you have left. It's a straightforward screen, not a lot of information there except for how much power it has left and if it's charging or not. Now, the ports with the lightning icon indicates which ports you can use to charge the power bank. There's one there with two lightnings. It means it's for fast charging devices. Now, let's test it out with my Samsung phone. There you go. Now, just a tip, don't get confused when you see the lightning icon on the screen. When you see that, it means that your power bank is charging. Now, if you use one of the bidirectional ports, you're also going to see that. It's just, it's just designed that way. Don't get confused. It's not like it's taking power from your phone anyways. It's charging your phone, not the other way around. Now, while I'm doing all this crap on the screen, what does it mean when you say you have 60,000 mAh, or when your power bank has 60,000 mAh? It simply means that if you have a phone with a battery rated at 1,000 mAh, milliamperes per hour, it means that this power bank can charge it 60 times. So it's as simple as that. No need to get into detail with the specs. So that's simply what it means. Now, one of the main reasons why I wanted this is because any power bank with more than 40,000 mAh is capable of charging a laptop. Well, like I said, I work from home, and when the power goes out, I don't have a backup supply. A UPS can only bring you up to a minute or so of power, and those are the more affordable ones. The expensive ones can give you, I don't know, 30 minutes to an hour. If you know the answer, just leave a comment below. I honestly don't know. But this will help me charge my laptop without having to go into the car and use the power inverter there. That's actually an option. You could go to your car, use a power inverter, charge it, but you don't want to abuse that. So I'd rather have a dedicated backup power source that I could use for my laptop. And of course, the wireless routers as well. Routers that we have run on 12.5 volts, if I'm not mistaken, and you can purchase cables that would allow you to keep it running even during a power failure by using a power bank. So those are the main reasons why I wanted to have one of these. Now let's switch back to me talking, and I'll tell you more about the experience that I've had with this power bank. Okay, so now we're going to talk about how it performed when I got it up to today. Remember the first time I pressed this button right here? It showed 75% power. That 75% power lasted me for a week, and I charged my phone at least twice or thrice a day. I sometimes even use it while plugged into an outlet, or in this case a power bank, and it lasted for a whole week, mind you. So it performed very well. Exceeded my expectations, to be honest. One thing that I noticed though during that time is when it reached 35%, it suddenly dropped down to 0. In some cases, people reported that it goes from 60 immediately to 0 just like that. Now, don't panic when it happens. The reason why it's doing that is because it wasn't charged fully the first time. It's a factory charge. So once it happens, just plug it in, let it charge for, well, in my case, it was around 5 to 6 hours to be fully charged. And since then, I didn't have that problem anymore. So another thing that I noticed with this is when I use the Type-C port right at the top, there are times wherein it's having difficulty detecting my device. I guess it comes with the bidirectional feature. So I'm not sure if it's getting confused if it's going to be charged or is it going to deliver power out. So might as well use one of the regular USB ports and just get a Type-C or get a cable with a Type-C end, so you'd avoid having that kind of problem, which I have one on the way. So I'll let you know how it goes. But generally, the power bank works really well. Just be careful which store you buy it from in Shopee, because you don't want to get the fake one. Who do I recommend this to? Like I said, main reason why I wanted this for backup power since I work from home. So that's who I would recommend it to. Next are for backpackers. People who don't mind carrying heavy stuff on their bags and having a backup power supply. So backpackers, mountaineers, if you're a lady who just brings her purse or a small bag and doesn't want to carry around a lot of weight, you can go for the lower variants, such as 20 to 30,000 mAh. They don't weigh that much, so it's not going to be a hassle carrying it around. Now again, rule of thumb is if you have a power bank that has more than 40,000 mAh, it's going to be a lot bulkier and heavier. It also means that dog is annoying. Just wait for him to shut up. Okay, he has friends. Okay. It also means that they're not going to shut up anytime soon. Well, it also means that your power bank is capable of charging a laptop. Now, that's assuming that your laptop has USB Type-C charging on it. Okay, it needs to have that feature. Okay, so make sure you have that, and don't bombard me with comments saying that it doesn't work. You need to have that. That's a prerequisite. All in all, this is an awesome backup power source. It's not that expensive. You can get one for about anywhere between 1,700 to 2,000 pesos, depending on the store. You can look it up in Shopee or Lazada if you're in the Philippines. But that price range, if we're converting it to dollars, that's around $40 to $50, and you could get yourself one of these. As I mentioned, UPS can only give you so much. It's not even going to last you for a very long time. Another backup option that I have is the power inverter that I can use on the car. But the problem is, I don't want to have to go out there just to charge. The power bank, gives me exclusive usage for my devices for work. So I'd want to keep that option as much as possible. All right. This is an awesome product. If you work from home, like I said, if you're a backpacker, if you shoot vlogs, this is going to be an awesome addition to your equipment. That's it for the video. I hope you liked it. I hope I can get sponsored by these companies sooner or later. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe, share with your friends. If you want to keep supporting the channel, just keep watching. Check out the links down below for my blogs and other stuff. And I also have PayPal, so if you want to support the channel, that way you can do it. All right, so I'll see you guys again in the next video. Peace.